The other big story we're on top of for you here at 4, the Texas Supreme Court heard arguments today over whether there should be more exemptions to our state's ban on abortion. 20 women and 2 doctors sued the state. That happened back in March. And they argue that the ban is just vague when it comes to complicated pregnancies. So with us to walk us through all of this, political reporter Jack Fink. Jack, can you kind of break down the details of what this all means?
Well, Nicole, the state's highest court is hearing this case after the Texas Attorney General filed an emergency appeal. It came after a lower state court issued a ruling last August that would have allowed more exemptions for women to have an abortion if they have medically complicated pregnancies. The women who filed the suit, along with a couple of doctors, attended today's hearing. They have said the law is unclear about when it's okay to perform an abortion. Doctors face prison time, fines, and the loss of their medical licenses if they perform the procedure when they shouldn't. The Attorney General's office says the law has been perfectly clear that the life of the mother has to be at risk in order for a doctor to abort a baby. The state also said the women who filed suit don't have standing or a right to sue Texas, and that they should first file a lawsuit against their physician.
I don't know if that would be the only circumstance, but you would at least then know that the law is the problem and not the doctor refusing to perform an abortion that otherwise would normally fall within the law. I mean, that's also part of the concern here, is that some of these women appear to have fallen within the exception, but their doctor still said no. That's not the fault of the law. That's a decision of the doctor.
And we have standing to do so because we only need to show that one plaintiff in this case has standing. And here we have multiple physicians and patients who are parties to the suit, including physicians who are regularly turning patients away because they are not sick enough, patients who have been harmed when they were denied medically necessary abortion care.
No word yet when the Supreme Court will issue a ruling in this case, but most legal experts expect a decision before June. It won't be the final decision in the case. Instead, the case will go back to the lower state court considering the case.
Yeah, it'll be something that we're watching and seeing what's going to happen. Jack, thank you so much.